up back in the day, guys. I'm here up in Landon. Here is I'm up in Northwestern right now. There you go. Brian, they got the furthest gun, maybe we'll find out here. They're just gonna take this one, I don't know. Wait and see, I guess. You can see they're we're unloading a bunch of stuff, but they had to wait so they could pick up the cars they need out of here, I guess. So. I'm getting ready to do work here. Look at all the equipment they have here. Including railside farming. Trucks carrying a bunch of ballast, I'm assuming. Whatever else. Yeah. Pretty interesting. So, and this wasn't like this area. It was over by the ballast pile, but now they have dumped a little bit of ballast here where it's starting to lower, get swampy again. It's interesting. There you go. Looks like they're taking, maybe. Yeah, they're taking one or two cars probably. Guess they're just taking two. But, or maybe one, I don't know. Says Missouri Mopac on it. It doesn't. Lettering if I said Mopac, but no. Racing company. Oh well. These are also loaded in lime too, so it's pretty cool. He's flipping the switch again to the main. Hook up to these two and bring those in, and then do a bunch more switching after that, I'm assuming. I'm hoping he's just taking one or two of these cars, but I'll find out. He might be just gonna go grab that one, but the question is, why is he not doing that now? But we'll find out. There you go. I think these two are empty, it sounds like. Hooked up the cars because they made a big clunk. They were pretty empty and they made a big boom. So at least one or two of these are empty, so yeah, interesting. like, comment, subscribe. More videos. Get some Ralph and Land out. Sup, we're back in that video, guys. I'm Ralph and Land. Here is Hamilton Northwestern. Going in reverse. Here he is. Doing some more switching right there, as you can tell. Got this one car here. I wonder if they can take that, or they're probably just gonna leave it, honestly, but we'll see. Thinking that it's gonna take the one up front, but we'll find out. We'll wait and see, I guess. Very bad rail. Before, I have to do a comparison video how much they've done throughout the years. Not even much right now, but trust me, it will someday. But this, all that rail is almost in the ground, sunk in the ground. So they had to, some crews to raise it up. That'll cost them a lot of money, I'm sure, but yeah. Long run, maintenance-wise, it doesn't cost them that much money. But other than they got a grant for that, I guess, to raise that part of the track up, and then, yeah. So it was sinking into the muck, because there wasn't that good ballast here like we have seen in the past, but yeah. There you go. We'll see what car he takes. He's gonna take these two or one of these. I don't know what's the one he's gonna take, but find out. I just take the one on tail end, I don't know. Feeling he's just gonna drop this off, take that one, that'll be so much easier, but maybe not. I don't know. Moment of truth, see what he's gonna do. Which car he's gonna take. He's probably gonna take this to one, maybe, but we'll find out. I don't think he's taking this to one. I think he's gonna do some weird switching. Yep. Taking these two right there. What his plan is, and then set up the other one, two more. We'll find out. Here we go, he's gonna start moving forward again. Here we go. He's just taking a two here and then bring these other two back, I don't know. Switch back, here we go. Hey guys, make sure to like, comment, subscribe for more videos like this. I am Ralph Landing out. Sup, back in the video, guys. Here's Hamilton Northwestern doing more switching. This time at Fillmore, Michigan, transloading. Here we go. We just sent off the 1 or 2 cars. We'll find out here in a second. Yes, we will. Wait and see. I think he's just sticking to 1. I think he is. He is just sticking to 1 instead of 2. That's different. It's gonna be pretty filled up then. That's for sure. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tanker cars, and then you have a total of 6 cars then. Not as much as I hope, but whatever. Find out here. I think that's what it's doing. Set off the 1 because we only had time to empty 1. This is about right though, but still crazy. No, he's taking 2. Never mind. Just had to set a brake on that 1 car, both of them. Now he's just now backing up just a tad bit, and then he's gonna pull forward. He is taking 2. Now he has 7 cars, looks like. He's gonna be having 7 cars, I'm assuming. Find out. Yep, he's just gonna pick up the 2. He originally thought, it was like, he's not gonna just take 1, he's gonna take multiple. At least 2, for that matter. 2 cars right there, yet to be unloaded, so he's gonna bring those back. Well, first put the switch, then bring them back to side him here, and then transload side him, and then do a flip switch again, then go back to his 2 cars there and pick those up, air them up. It doesn't take much time at all for that short train, and here we get going. You guys, make sure to like, comment, subscribe for more videos like this. I'm Ralph Landing out. Sup, we're back in the video, guys. I'm Ralph Landing. Here is Hamilton Northwestern doing once again more switching, but this time once again at Fillmore. Transloading. Here we go. In Fillmore, Michigan. Here we go. Going slowly into the transload side right here. Here we go. put on a few brakes, and then a couple. We're putting on the arrows, and you can uncouple these now 5 cars. Pick up the 2, and then you begin going. Now catch them in interchange drive. So probably should get going here. As soon as you depart, leave the sign here, then I'll depart and meet them at interchange drive. Anyway, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. I'm Railfane Landon. Railfane Landon out.
Dad.